It's the math guy, Steve. Let's do some math. So, we're multiplying binomials like this. Our goal is to expand or get rid of these parentheses, okay? So how we do that is by, remember multiplying is just distributing essentially, right? Or if we're multiplying binomials like this, we're just distributing. So this just says, take the 3x and multiply by everything in the second parentheses. And they take the plus 5 and multiply by everything in the second parentheses, okay? So let's try that. Meaning, let's rewrite this as 3x times that whole 2x minus 7, okay? And then plus 5 times that whole 2x minus 7. So we're distributing to the parentheses. And now we're saying, distribute across the parentheses. Meaning take the 3x and multiply it by everything in the parentheses. All right? So 3x times 2x, Well, we know 3 times 2 is 6. And then we get an x times an x. So that's, x squared, so not double the x, it's x squared, x to the second power, And then 3x times negative 7, 3 times negative 7 is negative 21, all right? And then we have an x there, All right, same thing here, distribute this 5 across the parentheses, all right? So 5 times 2x, we get positive 10x, And then 5 times negative 7 is just negative 35. All right, so we're pretty much done, except now, when it says multiply, we also want to simplify. Simplify just means kind of make things look a little nicer, meaning anything I can combine, put together, And how we combine those is by, things that are like terms, meaning if they have the same variable parts, Like here, the variable part is an x squared. There's no more x squareds, that we have here. Whereas here, these two both have an x, Just the x. And so those can be combined. All right. This one doesn't have any variable parts. That's just a constant. Meaning the 6x squared, we leave that one as is. And then the minus 35, we leave that one. But it's the middle part that I can combine those two because they have the same variable part. Meaning, how do I combine them? Well, just leave the x off and combine their coefficients, their numbers in front. So negative 21 plus 10 is going to be negative 11. So that will be our result of multiplying these. All right, always remember, math is everywhere.